Hey guys, it's Paddy here from Good Luggage, and today I wanted to kind of go through what wheel cleaners are like and what the difference that an acidic wheel cleaner could make in comparison to your normal everyday cleaners. Normally wheel cleaners are great, they react with the dirt and they help the washing process a hell of a lot quicker, and sometimes you get wheels that are not actually able to be, or the dirt that might be able to be shifted from your average wheel cleaner, be it iron fallout or be it just brake dust in general. Today we're going to go through a couple of different wheel cleaners and show what the difference an acidic wheel cleaner could make. And what better vehicle to do it on but this. Okay, let's start with your normal wheel cleaner. This is one that I'd use all the time on any maintenance washes that I might have. Non-acidic, but it's from Reflect Auto Care, and just your, what's it called, alloy wheel cleaner. Let's see how this one works first of all. So you can see it's starting to react already a little bit up the top here. Sudding away. Let's give it a bit of help. See how it goes. Oh, get right in there. I know this isn't a proper brush to be using, but it's just one of the things that I had to hand. So went down a good bit now. So, lots of agitation, plenty going on there, lots of suds, lots of dirty suds. Where's the other one? See what it's like when we rinse it off. So, let's see. So yeah, there's still an awful lot of stuff left in there, if you can see it there or not. Not exactly sure what it is, but it's mainly obviously brake dust. Now these don't get washed that well quite often. It's normally with a big brush and stuff, so the brush actually wouldn't get into these nooks and crannies. So what I'm presuming is brake dust anyway. We're going to try something a little bit stronger and see what happens then. Next up is Built Hamburg Auto Wheel. So now I would use this generally on stuff that needs a little bit more agitation, but it also has a bit of also has some properties in it to help with fallout removal from the brakes, from iron particles that you might find on the wheels. See how well it does. Yeah. Let's rinse this brush. Okay, so we can see from this now the purple is obviously, that's the iron reacting from that wheel cleaner from Built Hamburg. Fantastic stuff now. But you can still see obviously in there, there's still loads of black bits now. Let's see what it's like when it rinses. But we're still left with a load of build up now. Let's have a look. Now, let's look at it properly and see. So you still see it is still has a lot of caked on dirt inside. Now I know the brush isn't ideal that I'm using, but hopefully our next product might be able to shift a lot of that then. So let's have a look and see. Safety first with this one. I think it goes without saying I should have actually had these on for the other wheel cleaners now, mind you, but unfortunately I didn't. So this one in particular is a must. So this is KKD Devil's Juice, acidic wheel cleaner, and good stuff about this, or the good thing about this one, is that it can be diluted up to 1 to 4, which I have one done already. Now, so let's have a look and see how this one works out. Okay, there we go. Right, let's see it. Action. Now, let's give it a bit of agitation to see. Ah. Oh, look at that. Straight away you can see it working. Of those bits that you couldn't get in, and I still can't get this properly because I don't have the right brush, but get the idea. I don't have the right brush, but I think I'm going to need something smaller, a little bit more flexible to get into these tight areas, but you definitely get the idea from this anyway, without doubt. Right, let's spray that off so it doesn't stick it. You don't want to leave this sitting on too long either. check this out. I know it's not perfect because I don't have the right brush, as I said, but look at the difference that's after making. Really getting in at those areas. It's hard to reach places. And already, now I'm going to come back to this with a proper brush, but at least you can see the effects of what the acidic wheel cleaner can do. Yeah. Okay, so is acidic wheel cleaner a perfect go-to, I suppose, rather than going through the wheel cleaners first, right? So that's still, it's all baked on, it's all caked on there. Alright, let's give it a go and just use this one on its own. Straight away you see it reacting. So let's actually look, I think that's just paint up there now, I'm not sure. I've cleaned the wheels before. So agitate. One. Let's see. Obviously left a little bit more. I'm just going to do another dose of it in here. And get those last little bits. Let's see. As I said, not ideal. I don't have the proper brushes with me. You can see all that dirt in there, but you see, even with my finger, you can see that that's going to be released as soon as you get a proper brush in at that. Well happy with that now. there you go, that's a little taster of what acidic wheel cleaner can actually do for your wheels. Sometimes you have to choose whether or not your wheel cleaner is actually going to be strong enough or not, or do you need to go that little bit further and get the acidic wheel cleaner. If you've used acidic wheel cleaners in the past, please let me know in the comments which ones you've used, how do you find them, have you any other or better techniques to use, and hopefully we'll see you on the next episode then. Thanks.